guys, so I'm going to be doing my second video for today on the Rainbow High Winter Break SKYLER doll. This is the last one and I'm super excited to unbox. Now I will have to say off the bat, there is like some weird white stuff on her upper lip and I didn't even notice it until I looked at it by the time I got home, just quickly glancing at it. Because when I saw it in store, I was just like, oh, finally, and I just put it in the cart. I didn't even look at it because I like to do the unboxing reaction videos, you know what I mean? That could probably be easily fixed though, so let's find out. And I will open her up and be right back. I am back. And oh my gosh. We're gonna start off with the snowboard. It's a pretty cute snowboard, but I'm not blown away by it. The back is like, meh. Nothing really special in my opinion. I feel like they could have put a little bit more effort into a couple of the snowboard and skis. Like, violet skis were the most boringest thing. This one's pretty dry. Yeah. I just want to show you guys the extra outfit first. So, let's start off with the pants. They have the chewed hem with sequins. Those are way too cute and definitely need to be put on a doll ASAP. And then we have the top, the fur jacket. Super cute. It says rainbow all over it. But then we have the sequin hoodie. Like, oh my gosh. That is so freaking cute. That needs to be, this outfit alone needs to be on a doll. And you know what? I think I actually am going to like take a hot knife and just cut off a bunch of these blades from all the girls' shoes because I just don't like the skates. I don't know. Like, really, how's a girl gonna go skating in this? It's a doll, but it's like, nothing really special about those, but they would look really cute with those jeans. Now moving on to her. You guys, they didn't put gel on her curls at all. There is no gel in her hair. Can you guys believe that? These curls are just... These curls are everything. They're so beautiful. They feel so cool. So soft. I love how they're kind of like... When it's in the curls, it kind of looks like the color of like toothpaste almost. These lighter ones. So cute. I really want to see what she looks like with the hat off. I'm not convinced that I love this hat on her. So we're going to take that off in a little bit. But first, we're going to look at her outfit. She does have the long sleeve suit that some of the other ones have, but I feel like hers is more like skin tight. Rubies and Jades was not skin tight like this. Like this one, there's no undershirt underneath. And this is cinched clothes with a little tag, but I think I'm just gonna leave it on there. I am obsessed with her puffer jacket. Too cute. I love this jacket. I want that jacket for myself. I would legit wear that jacket. The little clasp details, the buckle, the zipper, the little Rainbow High logo on the zipper. Super cute. And she does have the fur hood in the back. And then her boots. Now these boots are actually not really anything special either. And like I said, there is that white something on her lips. I don't know if it's supposed to be there. I don't think so. But there is like chunky glitter on her lips. And I don't know if the other dolls have that. Sunny doesn't. Let me go look at the others. None of the other winter break dolls have actually little like chunky glitter on their lips, so I'm not sure that that was supposed to be on her. So I somewhat fixed her lips a little bit. I did happen to have a lipstick that was like the exact same color, Divine from CoverGirl. But oh my gosh, her hair, these curls, you guys. I'm definitely keeping the hat off. Because like this hat's cute, but it's pretty much the same hat as Ruby's, just a different color. So I am obsessed. I really am obsessed with these curls. I will probably never shut up about these curls. Just gorgeous. She definitely stands out with those curls for sure. I'm glad to see them have a little bit of versatility in the hair and a little bit of darker skin tone. It kind of makes me sad that Sunny is the only dark skin or even slightly different skin tone than the rest. All of them pretty much have the same skin tone, except SKYLER is a little bit tan and Sunny is, you know, a deeper skin tone, but not even really that deep. So I'm hoping that with the series 3 we can see an expansion of skin tones, hair types, that kind of thing. I love this doll. I can't wait to have these all displayed on a shelf by each other. It's gonna be so awesome. So I'm going to get going, start editing these videos so I can get them up today, hopefully. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys later. Bye!